because it is time, okay, that put emphasis in terms of economic development. If you want to develop our country, if you want to develop our region, we have to change our level of the way we look at education. Education has to have a new purpose. Okay, it has to be a purpose for national development, and it could be done. We have to, not only look at technical and vocational education only, but also we need a good marriage, okay, of between vocational education and academic education, and also we need to plan. We need to have planning. We need our country or the organization, the authorities need to plan, and that is lacking in the region.
In recent times, though, we've been hearing talk about preparing students, for example, for the workforce. The GCIC, they do every year. They have these workshops where people are trained to possibly get prizes and become business personnel.
Right.
And one is thinking that we're along those lines.
But
I'm thinking somewhere along those lines.
Yes. Yes. I mean, it's good. You know, I mean, to make a start, to encourage person. But what we're seeing is that more and more people are leaving their region. Okay, and also one of their main reasons is that because of our planning system, because we are generally an oral culture, we generally do not plan, and what we see is that planning in the region in terms of education, it tend to be decentralized. Every ministry, for example, have their own planning unit. Ministry of Finance may have a planning unit or whatever, or Ministry of Education. You know, our model, okay, says that this is the wrong way to go. You have a small country, you have small resources. So therefore your planning should not be decentralized, but all planning let's say, for example, I, Trevor, would have to advise. Okay, I mean, I'm not a politician or anything like that. But if I have to advise, I would say that all planning within the government, for example, should never be done by a ministry of Finance or Planning, okay, whatever. All planning should be a separate unit. So you have an entire country just focus on planning. So it should be like maybe a statutory body, maybe like the NIS. So all the minds should fall under one unit. So you will have a better return on investment, and the country now will be able to plan better. So now planning will no longer be a political event. So if you have planning on the ministry, it is influenced by a politician who is influenced obviously by